This 5-minute solution will show you how to kick inactive members from your Discord server. Follow me to do it. First of all, go to your server, click on your server name, server settings, scroll down to this left-hand menu, click on members, and here you will get your members. Now, to kick inactive members from your server, click on prune, and here you can select more than 7 days ago, or you can select more than 30 days ago. After selecting any option, click on this drop down and select the member whom you want to remove or kick, and click on prune. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.